In the early days of motoring in 1905, the route the Gorge Du Tarn was one of the most popular routes. One of the very first specialized tourist routes developed in France, at the request of the Grand Hotel, was created by the Young Touring Club of France, which had developed a purpose-made hotel, the Grand Hotel Muse near Le Rozier. And ever since it has remained one of France's most breathtaking sightseeing route. Though the Tarn River is a tributary of the Garonne and its waters eventually flow into the Atlantic Ocean, the Tarn Gorge is located in southern France's Mediterranean hinterland. If the streams that eroded through the limestone of the southern Massif Central had taken a different path millions of years ago, they may have poured out into the Mediterranean. However, this did not occur. However, the hills through which the gorge winds its way, known as Les Causes, are undeniably French, forming part of the limestone fringe that surrounds the Mediterranean basin from Gibraltar to the Alps. The gorge has a microclimate that may be quite hot in the summer and relatively temperate in the winter. The valley around Millau is noted for its cherries and vineyards, a little vines climb to the valley walls as far up as Saint-Enemy, and in summer the air may be filled with the chirping of the cicadas, the characteristic crickets more typically associated with Provence. Canoes and kayaks may be rented at a number of locations across the Tarn Gorge, including Saint-Enemy, La Malines, Les Vignes and Le Rozier. Boat tours on the river are also available at La Malines for groups of up to 8 people. While driving, hiking, cycling or canoeing through the gorge, visitors should keep an eye out for the area's amazing bird life, which includes France's biggest population of griffon vultures, as well as many other birds of prey. Large groups of vultures, among Europe's biggest birds of prey, may frequently be seen wheeling on thermals rising from the valley's heated bottom. In the direction of Florac-Lamargier, another species of huge vulture have been successfully reintroduced in recent years, not to mention the eagles, for whom this rugged terrain is perfect territory. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.